Okay.
Second. Next court date in Ajo is June 12th at 9 o'clock. Any questions?
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, then excuse. Thank you. Jail, your name, please.
Agent Umbrella Cario.
You have charged of alleged assault. On this charge, I'm going to release you, but if you're in custody of the matters, you're not going to get out. You have no contact with the victim. The next court date in this matter is June 24th at 8:30 in the Justice Court. Any questions?
I do not.
No, I think it's used. Thank you.
Under the city misdemeanors, it's going to be rape Anthony. Victim was an underage girl, so the mother's on the line. Her name is Isa.
Good morning, your name, please, at jail.
John Jacob Martin.
Yes, Martin, you are here in charge of shoplifting. Oh, you have a DLC hold.
Shoplifting?
That's what you're charged. You're arrested on shoplifting, you're got in the jail, and you have a hold.
I was in a restaurant shoplifting.
You John Jacob Martin?
Yeah,
That's what I'm being told. What were you arrested on then?
I was already detained here on some other charges.
You have other charges pending. There must be an old shoplifting charge they found.
Okay, yeah, I took care of a bunch of those before, so I don't know why it's popping up now.
I don't know either. So
You know,
we're going to release you on this charge. We see the judge from Marana. It's the Marana case
oh, Miranda, yeah.
on
It better be soon, because I got sentenced to DLC last week.
yeah, you'll be seen on Wednesday in Marana.
Are
Okay?
they gonna hold me from DLC or?
No, 'cause I'm not holding you on this case. All right? In this case.
Yep.
morning to jail, please. Your name?
Alicia Barceros. President Jose.
Okay, Castellanos, you have been you're here first of all on a warrant. Just court and fed appear and shoplifting charge. Looks like you, okay, on that charge, judge wants me to hang on to you. So said bond is $500. Set you for a hearing on Tuesday at 1 o'clock. Judge Taylor is the attorney. Do you have any questions?
Just based on my last charges from the last time being here, am I gonna be fighting this case over and over and over again every time I come in here?
Well, I'm holding you and we're appointing an attorney, maybe take care of it at your next court date, okay? You gotta take care of him eventually, that's why you keep seeing him, all right? Maybe excuse me.
And Your Honor, this is a Spanish interpreter, just letting the court know that I'm here, I'm waiting.
Okay, we've got one, I'm showing one Spanish speaker.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's, I'm not sure.
Please be seated.
Yes, sir, so, sir. There's there's something on the scene.
Good morning, your name, please?
Derek Delay, sir.
You've been charged with domestic violence assault and domestic violence related conduct from last night, just a second. For this charge, I'm gonna release you on the condition you commit no further acts of domestic violence, you have no contact with the victim.
Sir, who is the victim?
I know it's some woman that you allegedly attacked at the old Father Inn.
Okay,
You
I
have no,
was thinking, so I don't really recall, so, okay.
it's someone they say you have contact with you all the time, you have no contact with her, you're not to know she lives or works.
Okay,
Next
yes,
court
sir.
date in Marana on this matter is June 26th at 10 o'clock. Any questions?
No, sir.
All right, June,
The date one more time?
June 26th at 10 o'clock.
Okay,
All right, you're excused.
thank you, sir. That's all.
Awesome.
Good morning, your name, please?
Alonzo Johnson Jr.
Johnson, you've got a number of cases. First, you've got cases in the city court. Your charges from August 25th of last year, trespassing with failure to appear. Charges from December 9th of last year, another trespassing with failure to appear. Charges April 19th of this year, shoplifting with the failure to appear. And then charges from issue of trespassing, refusal to show ID with the failure to appear. This time, when holding a bond of $1,000, appoint the city public defender's office to represent you. You'll be seen on these charges on June 3rd at 1:45. Then you also have charges out of the justice courts. You have a warrant for failure to appear on a theft charge. And the new charge is criminal damage and trespassing. Each of those cases, I've said bond $500. Appoint Doug Taylor as your attorney.
Okay, may I say something?
Sure.
Judge, the trespassing, they told me that I was able to stay at the apartment next, so I wasn't able to knock at the guy's apartment, but I was able to knock at the person next door's apartment.
That may be very true, but you still gotta come to court, defend yourself. That's why you're being held, if you don't come to court.
Yes, sir.
So you'll be seen again on the justice court charges. You'll be seen on Tuesday at 1 o'clock.
Okay, and today is, what's today?
Today's Saturday.
Saturday, 3 days, okay,
All right. Excuse, thank you.
all right. Yes.
There you go.
Good morning, name please.
Michael Johnson.
Johnson, you've been charged with domestic violence in judicial proceedings. Allegedly by order of protection. All right. Victim has no objection to being released, so you can be released on the condition to commit no further acts of domestic violence. You have no contact with her. You comply with all court orders. The next court date on this matter in just court is June 24th at 10:30. Do you have any questions?
Yeah.
All right, you excuse. Good morning, your name, please.
Good morning, sir.
Your name?
Dorcas Manuela Ondoyan.
And you've been charged with domestic violence assault and domestic violence conduct from last night. And this charge is going to release you on the condition to commit no further acts of domestic violence. You have no contact with Felix, and you're not going to wear these your works. The next court date in this matter in the Tucson City Court is July 9th at 1:30. Any questions?
No.
All right, you excuse. Thank you. Good morning, your name, please.
Dennis Cooper.
Sir, you have charges from last night, like domestic assault, domestic violence conduct. These charges are released you on the condition committing for no further acts of domestic violence. You have no contact with Shauna, and you do not know what you did for works. The next court date in this matter is July 9th at 1:30. Any questions?
No questions.
I'd like to make excuse. Thank you.
Bill?
morning, your name please.
Good morning, Javon Hill.
Mr. Hill, you have been charged with domestic violence, or conduct of domestic violence, toward damage from last night. Just a second. This charge is going to release you on your promise to care the condition to commit no further act of domestic violence, consuming alcoholic beverages in any amount from reason. There's no contact with James Hill, they're not going to release the works. The next court date in this matter in the Tucson City Court is July 1st at 9 o'clock. Any questions?
No, thank you.
All right, then excuse, thank you.
Your Honor, the next one's the victim.
Thank you.
Skipping over something. Good morning, your name please.
John Pesci.
Excuse me?
John Heiser.
Mr. Heiserman, you've been charged with domestic violence related conduct, domestic violence criminal damage from last night. I told the victims online, if you wish to make a statement. The victim was supposed to make a statement.
His name was Adrian.
Adrian, are you there? Hello? Are you muted? Okay. And these charges, I'm gonna release you on the condition to commit no further acts of domestic violence. You have no contact with Adrian, you're not gonna receive his rewards. The next court date in this matter in the Tucson City Court is July 9th at 1:30. Do you have any questions?
I can't go to my own house.
Not now, not until your next court date. You may return the police escort to get your belongings. All right, you may be excused. Good morning, name please.
Anthony Lemos.
Alice, you have been charged a second.
For which one? For this one? Your Honor, I believe there's a victim one for this one as well.
Yeah. You have charged related to domestic violence, unlawful imprisonment, domestic violence on conduct, domestic violence assault, and refusal to show give ID in this matter. I'm appointed to City Public Defender's Office will present you, can hold your bond of $1,000. And you bond out, you have no contact with yourself, no go through these works. You'll be seen again on these charges on June 5th at 1:30 in the City Court. Do you have any questions?
You said I have a bond?
Yeah, in addition, the victim wishes to make a statement. The victim wishes to make a statement, Ms. Scatter?
What was it? What was that, sir?
The victim said she wanted to speak. She's online, but she's not saying anything. Can I, victim, you there? Hello? All right,
Hey, sir, can I speak real quick?
sure.
I work, I'm an electrician, sir, a full-time job. I'm on probation right now, and I've done a couple classes through probation. And I was wondering if I can get let go of my own recognizance. I have been through court, and I went by myself. Like, there was no problems. I never missed a court day. I was not late, sir. So I was wondering if I have a good thing going for me with this union, and I'm not trying to lose that job, sir. If there's
I
anything that you
understand
can
that, but
do.
you sit there and you're on probation, and you're sitting there doing stuff that's dangerous to a victim. So the reason why is we have the victim. Hang on to you. The bond is $1,000. Someone's close to get out. Like I said, your appointed public defender's office represents you. You're sitting in at June 5th at 1:30.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, your name, please?
Teresa Lyons, good morning.
Just a second, please. You've been charged with misdemeanor conduct, and misdemeanor to damage from last night. These charges on the release you on the condition you have no contact with Deontay and do not go to where he lives or works.
Can I ask a question?
Sure.
So he has my daughter that he is not, the father of at his home. Would I be able to go to the police? If I wait at the front of the complex, would the police be able to retrieve my daughter from me and bring her to me?
Yeah, you can go to the police escort. Your next
Okay,
court
thank
date
you.
in this matter in the city court will be July 9th at 1:30.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're excused.
August.
Good morning, your name, please?
Good morning, Alexandra Marcus Mitchell.
Ma'am, you have been charged with domestic violence conduct from last night on these charges in addition to your promise to appear with condition commitment for the rest of domestic violence. The next court date in this matter in Tucson City Court is July 9th at 1:30. Do you have any questions?
No, thank you.
All right, then you're excused. Thank you. Good morning, your name, please?
Good morning, my name is Norman Audubon.
Sir, you've been charged with counts of domestic violence conduct from last night on these charges in the issue on the condition to commit no further acts of domestic violence and no contact with Jesus Valenzuela or Rosa Garcia, and not go over their work. If necessary, you may return to the Tucson escort to pick up your belongings. The next court date in this matter in Tucson City Court is July 18th at 9:30. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
All right, then excuse, thank you. Good morning, your name, please?
Sonia Rivas.
Rivas, you have charges from last night of domestic assault, domestic violence conduct, possession of drug paraphernalia. This time the holder bond is $750. We'll appoint the city public defender's office to represent you. We'll combine with all your other cases. So your court date is June 3rd at 11 o'clock. June 3rd at 1:45, excuse me. And you have no contact with, just a second. Gang Kedrick. Any questions? Gang Kedrick or whatever. Kadick. No contact with him.
Okay.
All right, no excuse, thank you. Good morning, your name, please?
Steve Vigil, he is in Victor Adriel.
Okay.
Just a second. You've been charged with domestic violence, violating an order of protection. Just a second. Dispatcher and holding bond, $1,000. Will appoint the city public defender's office to represent you. You do bond out, you commit no acts of domestic violence. You have no contact with Alexandra. Now those are the works. Be seen again on these charges on June 5th at 1:30. Any questions? I recommend excuse, thank you.
Right, since she was given assigned to one, do I assign this one to one too?
To what, Judge? Yeah,
To Million? Okay,
they can figure it out when she gets there.
okay, thank you.
Good morning, your name, please?
I'm sorry,
Your name, please?
Juan Medina?
Just a second. Being on these charges, will appoint the public defender's office represents you. Public defender's office will agree to charges.
Yes, sir.
Position concerning bond.
Judge, regarding any conditions of the lease, Mr. Medina would, not stay in any place where there's minors present and follow all conditions that you set.
And note for the record, county attorney recommending a bond of $250,000. Make it $100,000. With no contact with victims, no unsupervised contact with the minors. Next court date hearing this matter is June 4th at 1:30. Any questions?
No, sir.
All right, can you excuse, thank you.
Thank you.
Copy of it. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Thank you.
I think this next ones are Spanish speaking.
Yeah, and the interpreter's here.
Okay. If they follow the schedule, the next one should be Spanish speaking.
Thank you.
Get on. Yo, van a hacer algún tipo.
Good morning, sir, your name?
Buenos días, señor. Denos su nombre completo, por favor.
Ricardo Aldimir Sirio Sánchez.
Ricardo Aldimir Sirio Sánchez.
So you were here on the basis of a warrant coming out of Texas.
Está por una orden de arresto que se expidió de Texas.
Sí,
This matter will appoint the legal defender's office and represent you.
Se va a asignar a la Defensoría Pública para que lo represente.
Public defender have position concerning bond.
Just a second.
¿Qué decir acerca de la fianza?
se entrecorta, perdón, no le entendí.
And I'm sorry, cut off. I didn't understand what was just said, and Your Honor, the interpreter may interpret again.
Sure.
¿Te va a asignar a la Defensoría Pública? Era una pregunta para la señorita.
But it looks like he doesn't have any prior, felony arrest history and he has a place to stay in Texas.
Parece que no tiene ningún antecedente previo por haber cometido algún delito grave y sí tiene un lugar en donde quedarse en Texas.
Sí,
Yes.
No, for the record, county attorney recommending bond of $100,000.
Entonces se hace constar en actas que la Fiscalía está recomendando que se le ponga una fianza de $100,000.
75,000. Excuse me, you're right, 100,000. But I'm gonna say bond at 75,000.
Pero voy a fijar la fianza de $75,000.
And you have no unsupervised contact with any minors.
No puede tener ningún contacto sin supervisión con menores.
And your next court date will be May 30th at 2:30.
Y la siguiente audiencia para ustedes el 30 de mayo a las 2:30 de la tarde.
Do you have any questions?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta, señor?
Sí, pues yo no tengo esa cantidad de dinero porque pues, ahorita no estoy laborando, no estoy trabajando, entonces no sé qué hacer.
Yes. Diga. Okay. Yes, at this point, I don't have that kind of money. I'm not working at this time, and so I'm not sure as to how to go about that.
Well, you have a court date, and if you, on Thursday, your attorneys at that point in time can request that the bond amount be lowered. Or you be
Bien, is it reduced, Your Honor?
reduced or even be released.
Ok, entonces, señor, usted tiene una audiencia el jueves. En este momento, el abogado puede pedir de parte suya que ya sea le reduzcan la cantidad de la fianza o que lo dejen salir libre bajo condiciones.
Ok, muchísimas gracias.
Ok, thank you so much.
All right, then you're excused, thank you.
Ya se puede retirar. And Your Honor, this is the only Spanish speaker. May the interpreter be excused.
Yes, ma'am, thank you.
Thank you.
That's it.
Good morning, sir, your name?
Christopher Yoke.
Mr. Yoke, you are here to base a warrant coming out of Washington, out of the state of Washington, I believe. In this matter, will appoint the legal defenders also present you, but the public defender will assist you in this proceedings. Public defender position concern bond.
Judge, it appears that, he's never been arrested in this case before, so it must be a direct indictment. And he has very limited criminal history. Oh, he's almost.
No, for the record, county attorney's recommended bond of 100,000, we'll make it 50,000. We'll set you for hearing on Thursday at 2:30. And if you do bond out, you have no unsupervised contact with any minors. Question?
No.
All right, then you're excused. Thank you.
Those two guys,
Good morning, your name, please?
Cedronio Alvarez Jr.
Alvarez, you are here in the basis of the warrant. Coming out of justice court alleging aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, 3 counts of aggravated assault and very serious physical injury. These matters will appoint the public defender's office to present you, public defender's office position concern bond.
Judge, it's clear that, he has a place to stay with his brother and he's, lifelong resident of Tucson.
Note for the record, the warrant has a bond of 100,000, request of 100,000. you $50,000. We'll set you for the hearing on June 4th at 1:30. Any questions?
Any questions? No?
No.
And you have no contact with the victims, all right? May you cease.
Thank you. Adios, sir.
Good morning, your name, please?
Adios, sir, Giovanni.
Just a second here. You are here in the base of warrant calling Cochise County, possession of narcotic drug, possession of drug paraphernalia. In this matter, we don't appoint an attorney to represent you. Just a second. In this matter, release you on the promise to appear, or that you contact Cochise County on May 31st. Cochise County is Superior Court. And I think you also have a misdemeanor you have to deal with. Misdemeanor out of the Justice Court. Criminal trespassing case. In that matter, I'm going to release you. Condition do not return to its location. The next court date is June 24th at 8:30 in the Justice Court downtown. Any questions?
No.
All right, you excuse, thank you. That's it, thank you.
That's it.
Thank you.
Good morning, your name, please?
Thank you, Connor.
Connor, you have been charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, endangerment, and disorderly conduct involving weapons. In this matter, we will appoint public defender's office to represent you. Public defender's office is concerned by.
Judge, it looks like he's, got tight immunity, and a place to stay. He doesn't have any prior felony arrest history or juvenile felony arrest history.
Well, for the record, county attorney's recommending $5,000. Impose that bond. If you do bond out, you possess no weapons or firearms of any kind. And we'll be seeing you on these charges on June 4th at 1:30. Do you have any questions?
Oh, thank you.
All right, you're excused, thank you. Good morning, your name,
Hello.
please?
Name, Alexander Ray Boulevard Upton Jr.
You have been charged, sir, with kidnapping and 2 counts of disorderly conduct involving weapons. In this matter, we will appoint the public defender's office to represent you. Public defender's office position concerning bond.
Judge, it appears he doesn't have any previous felony arrest history or any domestic violence history.
County attorney's recommended a bond of $10,000.
Can you?
7,500. Bond out. Possess no weapons or firearms of any kind. No contact with victims. Not to return to the incident location. If necessary, may return to police escort to get his belongings. And the next court date is June 4th at 1:30. Do you have any questions?
No, thank you.
All right, then excuse. Thank you.
Let's,
Good morning. Your name, please?
Roman Flores.
Just a second. You've been charged with domestic violence from trespassing, aggravated domestic violence, aggravated harassment, domestic violence aggravated assault, and another aggravated domestic violence charge. These matters, we will appoint public defender's office to represent you. Public defender's office position concerning bond.
Judge, he indicates that he's employed full-time, and he doesn't live the alleged victim.
County attorney's recommending a bond of $30,000. I'll adopt that recommendation. He does bond out. Commit no acts of domestic violence. You have no contact whatsoever with the victim. Your name is Nubia Mendoza. She's not to go to where she ever lives. She lives, works. And your next court date in this matter is June 4th at 1:30. Do you have any questions?
Oh.
All right, thank you.
He has a city on it?
Oh, wait a second, he has a city court charge. We're not done yet. Sorry. Mr. Flores, come back here, please. Thanks. You also have city court charge of possession of drug paraphernalia and possession of prescription-only drugs. On those charges, you'll be released. We'll appoint the city public defender's office to represent you. Such as for review hearing on June 28th at 9 o'clock. All right, now you're ready to go. Thanks.
You want this, sir? Cool.
Just a second, please.
I was not able to make my victim statement
Who's this?
in the case. My name's Adrian Finley.
I
I
called
was
your
trying to
name.
make a victim statement.
I called your
I
name.
know,
It's too late. We're bypassing the case. I can't do anything now. We're done. I'm still.
it did not unmute me. It did not unmute me. I did not have a chance to speak
I
because of the
understand that,
fact
but
that
I've made, my decision's been made. You can contact the prosecutor in the case. I'm dealing with other cases right now. All right? Sorry.
Well, that's the needs of psych evaluation and he's dangerous.
Yeah,
So-
Tom, you said, you know, good, I've already made my decision, the paperwork's already been processed, I'm on to another person, all right?
Okay, technical difficulties, thank you.
All right. At the jail, your name, please?
Daniel Brogan.
Just a second. Well, you've been charged possession for sale of narcotic drug, possession of dangerous drug, possession of drug paraphernalia. In this matter, will appoint the public defender's office to represent you. Public defender's office position concerning bond.
Judge, you don't have anything to add to the report.
And he also has Superior Court warrant for failure to appear on a criminal damage and disorderly conduct charges. Yes. All right. On the new charges, county attorney's recommended bond of $2,500. We'll go ahead and close that. The report dated June 4th at 1:30. And on the old charges, I guess you've already been seen on them. I have minutes for that. Then you have also charge on city court criminal trespassing. And that charge will release you, will appoint city court defender's officer to represent you, and will set you for a review hearing on July 5th at 9 o'clock. Any questions?
So he doesn't have an arraignment coming up?
I have no paperwork for that. I mean, I have paperwork, but I have no minutes or anything else to date. Did you do the paperwork to get an arraignment, Superior Court charges?
Superior Court charges.
Daniel Program?
Just a second, we're looking into it.
If he just wants to be seen again, I can get this Superior Court charges.
Yeah, bring him back in after, so we can do the paperwork on that one. So we'll bring him back after we're done with the other ones. So just
Bring him back.
That's gonna have to
So bring it back, you're gonna have to do another court date too. They'll just get in the queue.
Good morning, sir. Name?
Lorenzo,
Lorenzo, you have been charged with possession of narcotic drug, carrying a weapon, during commission of a felony, and possession of drug paraphernalia. In this matter, we will appoint the public defender's officer to represent you. Just a second, please. Starting about reclamation pretrial services, release of supervision pretrial services with the condition maintain contact with pretrial services, comply with any request to make of you. You possess no weapons or firearms of any kind. And the next court date in this matter is June 14th at 1:30. Any questions?
what was that with the pretrial services?
Maintain contact with pretrial services, be released to their supervision.
They released to them?
Yeah, you have to keep no weapons, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, please use. Good morning, your name, please.
It's Anthony Guido.
Okay. You've been charged with misconduct involving weapons and discharge of firearms to the limits. In this matter, we will appoint the public defender's officer to represent you. Public defender's officer position concerning bond.
Judge, nothing to add to the report.
No, for the record, county attorney recommended a bond of $10,000, bond $7,500, bond out to no weapons or firearms at the time. Next court date will be June 4th at 1:30. Any questions?
No, sir.
All right, you excuse, thank you. Good morning, name please.
Chris Roberson.
Roberson, you have been charged with felony shoplifting. In this matter, we will appoint the public defender's office to represent you. Public defender's office position concerning bond.
He's being held without bond, so, we'd ask that you set a bond if you don't have an objection to the state's recommendation.
Okay, so the bond is $500, and not to return to this location. And this court date in this matter is June 4th at 1:30. Any questions? All right, then, excuse, thank you.
Others?
Good morning, your name please.
Carlos Sanchez Barrios.
Sir, you've been charged with aggravated DUI. In this matter, we will appoint the public defender's office to represent you. Public defender's office position concerning bond.
Does he have a probation home?
No, not that I know of. No. And they told us about.
Okay, looks like he's lived here for 24 years and he's working full time.
Okay. County attorney's recommending a bond of $2,500. I'll go ahead and adopt that recommendation. He does bond out.
Okay.
He's not drive without a valid license, no consuming alcoholic beverage, any amount for the reason. Next court date in this matter is June 4th at 1:30. Any questions? All right, thank you.
Yeah, this is,
Missing case?
yes.
Yeah, just also jail.
We'll get there. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Good morning, ma'am, your name?
I'm Campbell Sandberg.
Thank you, just a second, please. Ma'am, you've been charged with second degree burglary. In this matter, we will appoint the public defender's officer to represent you. Just a second, please.
Can I say something? No.
This matter about the recommendation for pretrial services and the use of supervision pretrial services and enhanced supervision programs to maintain contact with pretrial services despite any requests. In addition, you're not to return to the incident location. The court date is June 14th at 1:30. Did you have any other questions?
Yes. That was my mom and dad's house, and they left it, that people learned that.
Okay,
Discuss that with your attorney.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
All right, that's it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Good morning, your name, please?
Omar Tomate.
Almonte, you are here to basically warrant on Superior Court for failure to appear on felony flight. In this matter, we will appoint the public defender's office to represent you. Public defender's office position concerning bond.
Judge, it looks like he hasn't been previously arrested in this matter, and, he doesn't have any felony arrest history. Yes, you release him to the supervision of pretrial services.
All right. Going out to information pretrial services. Condition to that drive us a valid license. Your next court date in this matter is May 31st at 1:30. Do you have any questions?
Well, they do.
Okay, you also have to maintain contact with pretrial services. All right, you may excuse, thank you.
They do.
Good morning, sir, name?
Roger talking to?
Just a second, please. Targeting, you've been charged possession or sale of narcotic drug, possession of weapon being prohibited possessor, possession of narcotic drug, possession of use of weapon in the course of a drug offense, possession of drug paraphernalia, possession of deadly dangerous weapon. In these matters, we will appoint the public defender's office to represent you, public defender's office position concerning bond.
Pretrial services believes they can supervise him in their enhanced program. We'd ask that you adopt that recommendation.
All right, I'll adopt recommendation pretrial services, release supervision pretrial services, part of their enhanced supervision program. You to maintain contact with pretrial service, comply with any request they make of you, and you possess no weapons or firearms of any kind. Court date of this matters June 14th at 1:30. Any questions?
No, sir. Thank you.
That's it. Morning, name please.
I'm Taylor Thompson.
Just a second. Thompson, you've been charged with possession of weapon and being a prohibited possessor. In this matter, we'll appoint the public defender's office to represent you. Just a second, please. Doctor, recommendation pretrial services and release on your promise to appear. The condition you possess no weapons or firearms of any kind. Your next court date in this matter is June 14th at 1:30. Any questions?
So, no, sir.
All right, you may excuse, thank you.
All right, so I'm getting out today?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
Good morning, name please.
Morning, Francisco Varela.
Rella, you have been charged with felony flight. In this matter, we will appoint May 6th. This matter, we will appoint the public defender's office to represent you. Just a second, please. A public defender position concern bond.
Judge, pretrial services is recommending release. We'd ask that if you have any concern, you release it to the supervision of pretrial services. That's not probation.
Is there a probation hold on this guy?
No,
Okay.
not yet.
release of supervision pretrial services. On the restricted license, you can only drive to and from work.
For business, I drive all day. I do mobile detail.
He said he does mobile detail, but he
Well,
drives all
if
day.
he's driving for purposes of work, it's okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
He should make sure.
The court date in this matter is June 14th at 1:30. Any questions?
No, sir.
All right, you excuse.
Thank you, sir.
Vega?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, just a second. Okay, I guess, first of all, it says you're here on a warrant on Pima County involving a narcotic drug case. And then he picks up new charges. Alleged possession of narcotic drug, possession of drugs, paraphernalia. First of all, you in court case, I'm going to release you on your promise. Release supervision, pretrial services, maintain contact with pretrial services, but you need to contact Yuma County by the 31st.
Yes, Your Honor.
Then you have new charges, alleging possession of narcotic drug, possession of drug paraphernalia. Those matters. And also release the supervision pretrial services. We should maintain contact with pretrial services for fighting the request to make of you. We're going to put you into the SMART court, drug alternative program, so you need to be in court on those charges on June 3rd at 9 a.m. And the next court date on the charges of after that is June 14th, but that may go away depending what happens on the 3rd. Any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, you may excuse, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I guess that Mr. Krugel back. Okay, this is on the, you have a warrant out of Superior Court, Fed appear on criminal damage and disorderly conduct. In that matter, will appoint the public defender's office, will present you, public defender's office concerning bond.
Nothing to add, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm going to post the bond on the warrant, $1,000, and you'll be seen on this charge on the 31st, which I believe is Friday. Any questions?
No.
All right, excuse, thank you.
So, let's look at your paperwork, because you've got a whole bunch of court dates, okay? that paperwork and all that.
I'm saying here for that, right? Messaging. Oh, yeah.
That's it, we're done, thank you.
Thanks, have a good day.